Hi, it's Kelly Wearstler and welcome to my home. I'm so excited to have you here with me for Thanksgiving, and I can't wait to show you the table I made with the Dior Maison collection and all the desserts and cocktail recipes. So come along. Welcome to my kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how to make two of my favorite dessert and cocktail for Thanksgiving. They're absolute crowd pleasers and they're super healthy and delicious. So the first thing we're going to make is the chocolate pomegranate tart. We have blanched almond flour. We're going to add the cacao powder and we're going to start to whisk until it's fully incorporated. So for the wet ingredients, we're going to add 1 large tablespoon of coconut oil and 4 teaspoons of maple syrup. Heat the coconut oil and maple syrup and stir. We're going to add the wet to the dry. For this season, I'm going to host an intimate dinner with my family, and we are going to be in the terrace, in the garden, where all these beautiful cypress trees are, and it's going to be absolutely magical. And now we are going to let them chill, and then we are going to bake. I just chopped the chocolate, and we are now going to take coconut milk and pomegranate juice, and we are going to heat and whisk until it's just about to boil. And now we're going to pour the mixture over the chocolate and then let it sit. The mixture has been sitting for a minute. We are going to whisk it until it's smooth and creamy. And now we're going to fill the tart with this chocolate. We're going to top the tartlets with pomegranate seeds. Super easy and so delicious. These beauties are done. We're going to go pop them in the fridge, and then we're going to make our cocktail. For Thanksgiving, I love to serve my guests one of my favorite drinks. I call it the California Classic Cocktail. We're going to be serving the cocktail in the classic Canage glassware. We're going to start with 2 parts bourbon and 1 part sweet vermouth. And I love to use toasted pecan bitters because it reminds me of Thanksgiving. And then we stir. Put 1 ice cube and then pour over ice. And voila, the California Classic Cocktail served. For the Thanksgiving table, I was really inspired by the cruise collection that I saw in Mexico from earlier this year. I wanted something that made these gorgeous Dior tableware really have great contrast. So we have the Negro Marquina marble table, the richness of the Douglas fir 1970s chairs, also representing glass, silver. All these materials come together, really create a magical tablescape. This spot is the center of the home. It's the heart of the home, and I wanted to surprise my family, having the sunset over us and really celebrating our love for one another. Thank you for spending the day with me at my home here in Los Angeles. I really hope you have the most beautiful Thanksgiving with your loved ones and creating many lasting memories ahead.